Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to activate your Zoom Pro account. Firstly, go to the Zoom website and click on Sign in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. Click on the Account Management, then select Billing from the drop-down menu. In the Billing section, look for Upgrade option. Select Pro from the list of available plans and select the billing cycle you prefer. Then enter your payment information as prompt. Review the plan details and pricing, then click Confirm to subscribe to finalize your purchase. After completing the payment, your account will be upgraded to Zoom Pro automatically. You can start utilizing the additional features right away. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.